Part C, red emergency line, blue service line, no cut, no crack, no pinch, should not be tangled, no air leak, both side air connection securely tight. Electric wire, no cut, no crack, no pinch, both sides securely plug in, always hanging. Glad hand and connector, no nut bolt missing, securely mounted, no rubber missing, no air leak, glad hand and connectors securely connected. Electric shoe, no nut bolt missing, no pin missing, electric wire securely plugged in the shoe. Fifth wheel platform, no crack, no other physical damage, no nut bolt missing, securely mounted with the tractor frame. Fifth wheel plate, no crack, no broken, no other physical damage. Fifth wheel plate securely mounted on platform, always greasy. Apron, no bent, no crack, no holes, securely built with trailer frame, no daylight passing between fifth wheel plate and apron, always greasy. Safety pin, no pin damage, no pin missing, securely tight. A kingpin, no crack, no bent or any other physical damage. Locking jaw, no crack, no other physical damage. Locking jaw fully closed around the kingpin. Release arm, easy lock, easy unlock, no damage, no loose. Now is in lock position. Trailer front light, side lights, no crack or broken, no bulb missing, no bulb fuse, working good, amber color. Trailer front wall and side wall, no crack, no holes, no physical damage, look good. Trailer frame, no crack, no bend, no illegal belt, no holes, no pin missing, DOT tape on it. Cross channels, no crack, no physical damage, no channel missing, always straight. Trailer floor, no holes, no other physical damage. Landing gear, no crack or broken, no physical damage, no nut bolt missing, easy up and easy down, now is fully raised. Gearbox, no nut bolt missing, no leak, working good, securely mounted. Gearbox handle, easy in, easy out, securely hanging. Hub oil seal, no nut missing, no bolt missing, no leak around the seal, no cap missing, oil level full, cap on tight. Lug nuts, no crack, no lug nut missing, no lug nut loose, all lug nut fully tight because no shiny thread. Rim, no crack, no bend, no illegal belt, no sign of rust, securely tight. Tire, no cut, no crack, no bubble on sidewall, thread evenly worn, is recapable, air pressure 100 psi, checked with high pressure gauge, minimum thread 232 of inch. Brake drum, no crack, no dent or holes, no sign of heat, no loose or missing bolts, no oily, no greasy, securely tight. Brake shoe, no crack, no oily, no greasy, minimum thickness, quarter inch. Brake chamber, no dent or cracked, no air leak, no loose or missing clamps or bolts, securely tight. Brake chamber house, no cut, no crack, no air leak, both sides securely tight. Slacker adjuster, no physical damage, no loose or missing parts, securely mounted. Push rod, no bend, no crack, no pin missing, play no more than 1 inch with brake release. A spring mount, no crack, no leaf missing. Spring mount, no crack or broken, no nut bolt missing, securely mounted with frame. Spring leaf, no crack, no leaf missing, no leaf shifted, properly stacked and securely mounted. U bolt, no crack or broken, no nut bolt missing, securely tight. Torque arm, no crack, no physical damage, no nut bolt missing, both sides securely mounted. Torque arm is adjustable. Torsion arm, no crack, no physical damage, securely mounted both sides. Torsion arm not adjustable. Mud flap, no crack, no cut, securely mounted, no nut bolt missing, no touch tire, no touch ground clearance, 6 inch. Door, no physical damage, easy open, easy close. Lock, no nut bolt missing, securely mounted, easy lock and easy unlock. Handle tie, no cut, no thread, length 2 feet. Bumper, securely mounted, no physical damage, DOT tape on it. Tail light, brake light, left right signal, 4-way flasher and clearance lights. No crack, no broke, no bulb missing, no bulb fuse, working good, red color. Pintle hook and tie, no crack, no nut bolt missing, securely mounted.